Hey everybody, it's Dirty Old Patch. This is the flea market finds. Well, we went to the flea market after we had breakfast, and we got this. I got this little wooden box. I'm going to use this as my drawing box for my giveaways. So this is going to be the raffle box. And my daughter found these two little Beetlejuice people. Since we got Beetlejuice, the cat, we now have two Beetlejuice figures. And she bought this knife. Let me get this straightened up here. She bought this knife, and it's a Mustang. It's a Frost USA Mustang. But look at that! Look at that pretty handle it's got. It's brand new. 440 stainless. So she got this little knife, and then when she bought that, the guy gave her this I think it's a little Chinese Swiss Army knife. So she'll probably can carry that along with us on our adventures. And she also got this for $1. She can clean it up. It's an Olympia China little lock blade. And she got, this is her first fixed blade. This was $1. There was a table, everything on it was $1. China. It's pretty cool though. She got that. And I got two knives. This one, I paid $5 for it. It's a Cherokee. It's just a single blade, non-locking. It's got pretty wood on it. It'll probably clean up pretty nice. I don't know. It's for the flea market finds. Oh, it's got that it's been sharpened a lot. It's got this like serrated swedge up here. I don't know what you call that. It's actually a pretty cool knife. I like that Indian head there. Cherokee. I think these are made in Germany. So I got that for $5, and then I got this for $5. This is an Imperial Double Eagle, little Stockman, a Frontier Double Eagle. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it says Double Eagle on it. Let me see if I can get that. Whoa, sorry. See right there, Double Eagle. And then it's got Frontier. And on this side, 4135 Imperial Stainless USA. So I think this is walnut handles. It's got that. And this blade has a little nick in it right there. You can clean that up a little bit. Just bring it down a little bit. That'll be a fun one to clean up. Look how rusted it is down in there. But that's the flea market finds. My daughter might have done the best with this one. It was pretty cheap. She said I could put it on my video. I thought it was made in China, and I said, Sophie, that's a Chinese knife. And she's like, I want it. But then we looked at it, and it said USA on it. So I'm gonna have to look this up. But I could do a Frosty Friday with this one. She'll let me do it. All right. Thanks for watching. Look at that handle, man. That's pretty. Thanks for watching Dirty Old Patch Flea Market Finds. Oh, well, wait a second. So I got my raffle. I got every ticket here. I have 36 tickets, and I put everyone's name on them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull them off. I don't want to pull one off of here. I'm going to pull them off, fold them in half, and put them in this box, and then shake it all up. and then we're gonna shut the lid, shake it all up, turn it around, and let my daughter reach in and pull out a name. And we're gonna do it on a live video at 2 o'clock, and the winner's gonna get that. So go to the video that says 1 year giveaway, and you could win this knife that I made and this Morgan dollar 1889. All right, thanks for watching. That's coming up quick. Dirty Old Patch.